We're in a DBA program. Our focus is on application. How do we apply what we're learning? How do we take our findings and apply them so we can speak to, solve for, give recommendations, or offer solutions to address the gap? When you're picking your topic and your research focus, here's what I want you to remember. Find the topic that's most interesting to you. But here's the reality. Find the one that's most practical. We don't want to waste our time being intrigued. We want something we can get to so you can get this thing done. Your job here is not to change the world. Your job is to get the doctoral study done, earn the degree, and then you can do whatever other research you want, and you can change the world. The DBA is an applied program. The purpose of the DBA is to identify a problem, study it carefully, generate findings, and produce recommendations that practitioners can use. Our focus is on application. So when you're choosing your research focus, ask yourself 2 questions. First, can I complete this topic? Can I access the population I need to study? Can I collect the data I need within the time I have? When the answer is yes to both, the topic is one you can finish. Second, will my findings produce something useful? Will organizations be able to act on my findings? Will my recommendations be ones organizations can apply? When the answer is yes to both, you've got a topic that fits the applied focus of the DBA. Here's the discipline. When you find a topic that fascinates you, but it's bigger than what your research can support, note it for later. After you finish your DBA, you'll have plenty of time to pursue topics that fascinate you. You can write articles or share findings at conferences. You can do consulting work that uses the topics you found most interesting. The doctoral program is one part of your professional life, and you'll have time later in your career for the topics that fascinate you most. The discipline of choosing a practical focus is itself part of the doctoral program. Research projects require the use of resources, access, data, and time. When you learn to scope a research project to fit those parameters, you build a skill you'll use throughout your career. So when you're considering your topic options, look at them through the practical lens. Pick the focus you can complete and one that will produce findings worth having. Save the topics that fascinate you most for later. They'll be there when you're ready, and you'll be a stronger researcher for having earned your doctoral degree.